Hello, today is part 2 to 7.3. So 7.3a was long division, today is synthetic division. This is a shortcut, and it's much simpler than long division. The issue is you need to be able to write what you're dividing by in terms of x minus r. And as soon as you have like a 2x minus 3 or an 8x minus 1 or an x squared plus 6, it has to be like x plus or minus something. Okay. So first, we're going to write the constant of the divisor in the box. So if we look at this first example, it's in standard form. So that's really this first piece that has to be in standard form. And it is, and it typically will be for you, but just in case, it's good to check. And we're dividing by x minus 4, and so 4 is what goes right there in the box. And then we put all the coefficients. Our coefficients are 2, negative 13, 26, and negative 24. And sometimes I go past, where the line is. But that's okay because I write huge. All right, and then we bring down the first coefficient. So there's a 2. Then we multiply. So we have 2 times 4, which is 8. And then we add. That's a major difference. For synthetic division, we add. Long division, we subtract, right? Negative 13 plus 8 is negative 5. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. 26 plus negative 20 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Negative 24 plus 24 is 0. And this right here, that's our remainder. Okay, so in this case, we don't have a remainder. So then our answer, basically we decrease by 1 power. So if our first term was a cube, now our first term is going to be squared. So we have 2x squared, that takes care of our first coefficient, minus 5x plus 6. Next one, first, x minus 6. 6 is being subtracted. 6 goes right there. I'm going to put a plus so I don't forget. Our coefficients, we have 1, negative 2, negative 25, and a positive 6. And negative 2 looks weird. I'm going to rewrite it. I'll bring down a 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Negative 2 plus 6 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Negative 25 plus 24 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 6 is 6. 6 plus 6, negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. 6 plus negative 6 is 0. We have remainder of 0 again. We go down by 1 power. We had an x cubed as our first term before, so now we'll start with an x squared. So we have 1x squared, or just x, oops, sorry about that. 1x squared, or just x squared, plus 4x minus 1. Next one. So for our r, technically negative 3 is being subtracted because this is the same as x minus a negative 3. Then as far as our terms go, it looks like we're missing a term for cubed. Okay, so we have 1x to the 4th, 0x cubed, we still need our placeholders, negative 10x squared, negative 2x, and 4. We'll put our plus there so we don't forget. So bring down our 1. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. 0 plus negative 3 is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Negative 10 plus 9 is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 3 is 3. Should not have put the x there. It's not the end of the world, but we don't need it, right? Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. 4 plus negative 3 is 1. So our remainder is 1 in this case. So then our answer, before the degree was 4, so the degree of our answer will be 3. So 1x cubed, or just x cubed, minus 3x squared, minus x plus 1 over x plus 3. So we also know that last number must be a remainder as well, because otherwise if you were continuing to go down by 1 power, x cubed, 3x squared, minus x to the first, plus 1x to the 0, you're kind of out of powers. So the only thing it could be is the remainder.